Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through setting environment variables on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. On the left-hand side, choose the System tab. Scroll down to the very bottom of the right pane, and you will find an option labeled About. Click on this to access your system information. From the System Information screen, locate and click on the Advanced System Settings option. This action will open the System Properties window, bringing you directly to the Advanced tab. Here, you will find the Environment Variables section. Click on the Environment Variables button to proceed. Within the Environment Variables window, you will see a list of variables that are already in existence. If you wish to add new variables, click on the New button and then input your desired environment variables. You also have the option to browse for them. To edit an existing variable, first select it from the list and then click on the Edit button. You can also remove variables by selecting them and clicking the Delete button. Once you have made all your desired changes, click OK to save them. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.